Hi, I'm Kate from PageFly. Want to make your collection stand out on your Shopify store? Curious about how to effortlessly add a captivating image to your collection? Stay tuned as I will guide you to enhance your Shopify store by adding eye-catching collection images in PageFly. Let's dive in. You need to add collection image in Shopify admin. Go to Products after navigating to the Shopify admin dashboard. Select Collections. Choose the collection whose picture you wish to use. Locate the image section in the collection settings. Press the Edit button in order to alter the picture. After you're done, select Save. We need to add the collection image element to your page. On the left-hand side menu, click on Add Shopify Element and find the collection image element. Drag and drop the collection image element into your page editor. It should be noted that you can use the search tool to look for this element instead of looking in the sidebar. Next, we'll configure the collection image to match your store's branding. Click on the collection image element to open the settings panel. Here, you can adjust the image size, alignment, and add alt text for SEO benefits. Visualization on the page editor. Now we need to link the image to the appropriate Shopify collection. In the settings panel, select the collection you want the image to represent. This ensures that the image is dynamically updated with your collection content. Visualization on the page editor. Finally, let's customize the design to make it visually appealing. You can add borders, shadows, and adjust the spacing to make your collection image stand out. Visualization on the page editor. After that, click on Save and Publish button. Let's switch to the live view to see how the collection image looks on your page. As you can see, the image is perfectly integrated and dynamically displays your chosen collection. And there you have it. Adding a collection image in PageFly is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues.